Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your account on Tinder. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So first, open up your Tinder app, then click on your profile icon on the bottom right. And once you're on here, click on the settings cog on the top right. And all you need to do is scroll right down until you come to the very bottom of the page and you should see delete account. So just select that. Then it'll give you two options. So it'll give you the option to pause your account or obviously delete my account. So you want to select delete my account. Then it'll just ask you why you want to delete. So you can obviously pick any reason you want on here. Then I'll just ask you another question, why you want to delete your account as well. You can obviously skip this in the top right, or just select a reason, then select continue to account deletion. And once you're on here, it'll just let you know, by tapping delete my account, you will lose access to your profile, messages, photos and matches. For safety reasons, we delay the start of deletion process for 90 days. Your deletion request will be cancelled if you log back into your account during this time. Remember, you can return and create a new profile at any time. So if you're happy with all that information, just select delete my account and your Tinder account will be deleted. Thanks for watching.